system cleaning. Okay. System cleaning. System cleaning. Need to put it out. Go out. System cleaning. Out. Kitchen cleaning. No problem. No problem. Wait. Ah, look. Look how it's... This is clean up, man. Wow. Crazy. Outside. Computer system cleaning. Well, if the systems aren't cleaned yet, sorry, there is some. Well, if it hasn't cleaned yet, I don't know anymore. First I'm gonna dry up my kitchen. Tra-da-da-da-da. I'm sorry, kitchen. Anyway. Anyway. Let's clean this a bit. So. Maybe it has to dry a bit. I don't know. Let's see. But this is the way how we clean our computer systems here in the Netherlands. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. This wonderful gift I just showed you.